A new roof is a massive investment, but how do you know if the job was actually done right? Unfortunately, not every roofer delivers what they promise. Here are the top 10 red flags to watch for. First, sagging or uneven roof lines. This usually means the contractor failed to repair rotten decking before laying new shingles. Second, missing or mismatched shingles. Different colors across sections mean they used leftover bundles from different lots. Sign number 3 is a huge red flag. Leaks or water stains appearing right after the first rainstorm. Look for brown rings on your ceilings or damp spots in the attic. A new roof should be watertight from day one. Fourth, missing critical materials like underlayment or drip edges. These are the hidden components that actually protect your home. Fifth, poor nailing. Exposed nail heads are entry points for water, and overdriven nails weaken the shingles' wind resistance. Sixth, ventilation issues. Without proper airflow, heat and moisture build up, destroying your roof from the inside out. Seventh, sloppy details. If you see thick gobs of roofing cement around chimneys, the contractor likely cut corners on the flashing. Number 8 is installing new shingles over rotten decking or old shingle layers. This is a major structural risk. Ninth, a messy job site. If they don't care about your lawn or landscaping, they probably didn't care about the details on your roof. Finally, paperwork red flags. Missing permits or vague warranties mean the contractor isn't planning on being around for the long haul. To recap, watch for sagging lines, mismatched shingles, leaks, missing materials, and poor nailing. And don't ignore bad ventilation, sloppy flashing, rotten decking, messy sites, or paperwork issues. Your roof is your home's first line of defense. Don't settle for anything less than a professional job.